Certainly. Here are some interesting facts about Pakistan. Location. Pakistan is located in South Asia and is bordered by India to the east, Afghanistan and Iran to the west, China to the north, and the Arabian Sea to the south. It shares its longest border with India. Independence. Pakistan gained independence from British rule on August 14, 1947, and is the world's first Islamic republic. Population. Pakistan is the sixth most populous country in the world, with an estimated population of over 225 million people. Official languages. The official language of Pakistan is Urdu, but there are several regional languages spoken throughout the country, including Punjabi, Sindhi, Pashto, and Balochi. Mountaineering. Pakistan is home to some of the world's highest mountain peaks, including K2, which is the second highest mountain in the world after Mount Everest. Indus Valley Civilization. Pakistan is known for its rich historical heritage, including the ancient Indus Valley Civilization, which dates back to around 2500 BCE. This civilization is one of the oldest urban civilizations in the world. Cultural diversity. Pakistan is a diverse country with various ethnic and linguistic groups. Some of the major ethnic groups include Punjabis, Sindhis, Pashtun, Balochis, and Mahajars. Cricket. Cricket is the most popular sport in Pakistan. The national cricket team has achieved significant success, including winning the ICC Cricket World Cup in 1992. Islamic heritage. Pakistan has a significant Islamic heritage, with several historical sites and landmarks of Islamic architecture, including the famous Badshahi Mosque and Faisal Mosque. Karakoram Highway. The Karakoram Highway, also known as the Eighth Wonder of the World, is a scenic mountain road that connects Pakistan with China. It is the highest paved international road in the world. Cultural festivals. Pakistan celebrates various cultural festivals throughout the year, including Eid al-Fitr, Eid al-Adha, Basant, Kite Flying Festival, and the Sufi music festival known as Mela Kairagan in Lahore. Largest irrigation system. Pakistan's Indus River system supports one of the largest irrigation systems in the world, which plays a vital role in agriculture and food production.